If you are still struggling placing your stop loss and your take profit the right way, then this video is for you. The questions many newbie traders will ask is, how do I know the best place to place my stop loss or the best place to place my take profit? Or how do I even know the better points to enter the market so that I will put a better stop loss and a more better take profit? That is exactly what I want to show you in this video with a very simple method that anyone, no matter your experience, whether you've been trading for so many years or you're just starting today, you can use this very strategy, and it is very simple. This is Mobile Trading Academy, where I simplify forex trading for everyone. So if you're new to my channel, I would like you to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release videos like this. Okay, so let's get into the chart and see how to place your stop loss and your take profit like a pro. Okay, now let's assume that we came into the market and we met the price right here. Everything to the right is all in the future, so we do not know what is going to happen in the future. We only could see what has happened, and looking at what has happened, we found out that we were having lower lows and lower highs, then lower low, telling us that we're having a downward trend before. Okay, with these two equal lows, we are confirming that the bears are getting weaker, and now we are now having a new low which is higher than the previous one. So now we're beginning to have a higher low, so you're now seeing a new high higher than the previous high, telling us that the market has changed a trend, which is an indication of bullish momentum. So that was where we met the market. I have to take this time to explain the history so that you understand how you make your choice based on what has happened before. So with that said, we've seen that we're having increased bullish momentum. That means the buyers are now the ones in charge, and that is where you would like to be. That is the side you would like to trade with. When the bulls are in charge, go with the bulls. When the bears are in charge, go with the bears. Don't fight the trend, don't fight the market. Okay, so that means we are expecting this trend to continue. So the question now is, how do you approach the market from here so that you will have a better entry, a good stop loss, and a good take profit? That is what we want to answer in this video. So with this new higher low and the previous low, for you to identify where to take your entry, you need to take a trend line. Okay, you go to your tools, pick your trend line, connect these two lows, because we are looking for market to continue making higher lows and higher highs. So I will connect it. So when I connect it, I will drag it into the future. All right, so now I've connected it and I've dragged it into the future. Okay, the best entry for me right now would be to wait for price to come back to test that trend line, which is connecting these lows. Okay, I will be looking for price to drop such that the price will touch that trend line. It is at that point it touches the trend line that you will be looking for buy opportunities. In fact, I will even show you a better way to confirm whether to take the trade or not. Now, at that point where the market touches the trend line, there you can put your entry price, then your stop loss will be just below the previous low. All right, and now the question is, where are you going to take your profit? So that is another challenge that many newbie traders have, and I want to help you demystify it in a very simple way, like I said. So your target for the next profit will be to connect these two highs. Okay, this higher high and the previous high. We want to connect it with the trend line such that we'll draw it into the future. So let me do just that. So I pick my trend line, I connect this high and this high. So let me do that. Now I'll need to draw it into the future. So my target will be for the market to hit the top of that trend line, because I'm expecting a new high higher than this present high where we are. So that is where I'm going to put my take profit. All right, now let's unveil what has happened afterwards and see if this really works. Voila, now good. So now we've removed everything we've got. Now we've got into the future and we see exactly how it worked. That when this price moved from here, it hit our take profit. It even exceeded the take profit by some little pips above. So that is just how easy it is for you to enter your trade and place your stop loss like a pro. You can see it's not difficult. You can enter your trade like a pro, fix your stop loss and your take profit like a pro, and it works good. So I promise to show you something at the end of the video to get your confirmation. So let me expand the chart good. Okay, now look at when this price dropped to the trend line. So at this point, when the candlestick closed below the trend line, many people would have thought that the trend line has been broken, but the next candlestick closed above it, which means it reclaimed that, making this move down here a fake out. Now that is a confirmation that the market is about moving up from here, because once you get a failed breakout like this, market moves to the other side of the symmetry. Okay, so the market will move to the other side of this channel. So that is a secret that you need to know, that whenever the market touches that trend line, which serves as a support, and maybe closes below it, and the next candle closes back above that trend line, it's a signal that the trend is about continuing and that this was a fake out and that the market will begin to move in the other way. So that is just a confirmation. But even if you don't know about this confirmation and you're able to just patiently wait for the market to hit the trend line, then put your stop loss below and target the rising trend line connecting the highs, you're good to go. So that is just it. You see, we hit our take profit just the perfect way. So I hope this has really simplified placing your stop loss and your take profit the proper way, and also taking your entry in a pro way. I'd love to hear what you say or what you think. So ensure you check the next videos that I release to learn more about simple strategies to trade the forex market like a pro. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.